Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will make a question for you. If you want anyone who follow this channel, Business Online, if you want talking about e-commerce, if you want talking about e-commerce or doing free course for e-commerce, like and writing me for in the comment what you want talking about him, dropshipping or ecom local or e-commerce for beginner or digital product, physical product or servicing. All this thing, if you want talking about him, just give me your opinion in your in comments, and I answer all comments, and I talking about anything you want. If you want digital product, I will give you details of this business. And if you want physical product, same too. And all servicing, if you want talking about servicing and any digital product, I can talking about him and give you details of this business, um how you can begin in this business, and all trick and any information about this business model. And thank you for watching this video. This video is just to I want your advice, and I want to know what you're following for this channel. If you're following them for YouTube, we are keeping going in course of YouTube. And if you want e-commerce, just tell me what's a business model you prefer, and I can talking about him in this channel. Follow the just don't forget to follow channel, and give me your opinion in the comment. Thank you so much, and see you guys to another idea and another video. In the next video, it's the beginning of course e-commerce, digital product, physical product servicing. This is it's about your comments. I take your comments seriously. Thank you so much, and choose.